Hey you guys, your girl Beauty with Mika, and I am here to do an unboxing of the Impressions desktop studio ring light. Yes, there is an actual desktop studio ring light. I'm just gonna do an unboxing so you guys can see what it looks like and my first thoughts on it. I did go ahead and pick this up from their studio showroom in Tustin, California. It was about 30-minute drive for me, but I made the use of my trip. If you're familiar with the LA area, I would say it's about maybe just 10 minutes away from Costa Mesa, Orange County area. But let's go ahead and get started because I know everyone's been dying to see what it looks like. So first of all, this regular desktop studio light is one of their popular ones. It has been sold out for a while. It's regular price $99 and I got it on sale for $79. I used Trimmo's code to get an additional $7.99 off, but for the deal, literally this ring light is sold out at every IMATS, Fame, Expo, convention, all the time online. And at first I was like, I don't want to spend $100 on it. So when I did go spontaneously and be like, I need to see, because I've been tracking it for almost a year, it was on sale. So I went into their studio and I went on and purchased it. And you do get this first box and then you get the second box. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like. Now this is obviously must be the ring light, and it just says Impressions on here, and this was like super heavy when I picked it up. So you get, of course, some instructions and some screws and some fuses in here. Now this is the actual ring light itself. And I like that the packaging is like super good on here. Like you guys can see, they really did their thing as far as like packaging it. So this is the ring light. I'm gonna move this. So, and I love that this little protector. So I'm definitely gonna keep this. And let's see, that's what it looks like. Very nice and sturdy. While using, please take it away. So I'm just gonna remove these. It says while I'm using it, and these snap off. Now this is the second piece, which means this has to be the base. I will say this is packaged very, very well, and this base is heavy. Yeah, this feels like a weight. So definitely be careful when you're holding this. Look how thick that is. It's obviously a base. Okay, you guys, so I did have to set this up, and I'm angling the camera. So I had to set this up. Basically, you have to screw this base on. So that's what the two screws are for. You just set this up under here. I did plug it up, as you guys can see, and I'm going to angle the camera down. Excuse my vanity. This is how it pretty much sits on my vanity. I have to have the Alex drawer, the Alex 9 drawer, and I am just showing you guys. So now when you do turn this on, this has some power to it. That's how it looks when it's turned on. There is high wattage on here. This is perfect for me. The volt on this is 110 volts, and the color temperature is at a 5054K. So very, very good. This is a white light from them, so this would be definitely great for recording. If you definitely want something where you don't have the storage space for a huge ring light, this is perfect for you. The weight is not going to allow it to drop or anything. So I highly, highly recommend this. Now that I got it, I would definitely still pay probably the $100, but the fact that you can get it on sale, definitely say get this. It's perfect. You can still unscrew this and travel with it. I do like that it comes with the cover, so you can store this under your vanity, under your desk. I personally, for me, I'm going to see if there's a case for it or some type of just to protect the glass besides the plastic covering that they give you. But other than that, you could actually take this off the base and package it. So I'm gonna see if I can find something for it, maybe on Amazon. If I do, I'll let you guys know and post the link down below or give you guys an update. But definitely you will know when the lighting change, because I will be recording with this. So don't forget to thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe if you guys want to see more from me. If you guys have any questions regarding this light, let me know. I can tell you, as I'm standing here, it does get hot. So compared to my other ring light, I do like them both, but this one was just more convenient too for me as an option to record. So if you are looking into it, I highly recommend getting this one. Even if you don't get it on sale, I would recommend spending it at the full price. Till then, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.